Contaminated cough syrup killing children has made headlines. But the truth runs deeper. Every year, millions may be falling victim to counterfeit and substandard drugs. Rajasthan's Drug Control Department has unearthed a trail of shocking findings. Medicines that are meant to heal are in fact harming patients. When India Today examined the department's working, it found labs conducting tests, report being filed, but no action taken. The list is long and disturbing. Antibiotics. 6 batches failed. Over 1 lakh tablets from Medirich Limited were sold before detection. Steroids saw 3 batches failing. Medivil Biotech sold 30,000 doses. Anti-allergics saw 4 batches failing. Theravin formulation sold 35,000 units. Anti-diabetics saw 3 batches failing. Relief Biotech sold 18,000 tablets. 3 batches of painkillers failed. Ipca Laboratories sold 20,000 of them. 8 batches of supplements failed. FE Parenteral sold 40,000 units. Antacids saw 3 batches failing, of which 15,000 units were sold by Aristo Pharma. And 2 batches of cardiac drugs failed, out of which MX Pharma sold 10,000 tablets. So from stomachache pills to ear drops, from injectables to vitamin syrups, some had missing salts, others were infected fluids.
6 सैंपल आया है, 6 सैंपल का नेगेटिव, 1 सैंपल है, 6 सैंपल आए थे, सबका हुआ है एंड वी आर स्टिल टेकिंग. इसका ही नहीं, बाकी भी सारे लिक्विड फॉर्मुलेशंस का फील्ड में हम सैंपल ले ही रहे हैं. इट इज एन ऑनगोइंग प्रोसेस. और जब भी अगर हमें ऐसा कोई मिलेगा, विल इन्फॉर्म यू इफ यू फाइंड एनीथिंग अबनॉर्मल.
ये कंपनी आगे सप्लाई करेगी अब या कब से करेगी?
ये आरएमएसएल का लुकआउट है, पर जो हमें बताया गया है कि आरएमएसएल इज पुट ऑन होल्ड 19 फॉर्मुलेशंस जो एक कंपनी बनाता है. उसके आगे क्या करना है वो दे विल टेक अ कॉल.
By law, every failed sample must lead to a court case. By rule, every report must be escalated to the Central Drug Laboratory in Kolkata for a nationwide ban. But none of that happened. Instead, reports gathered dust until the state's drug controller himself was suspended.
राष्ट्रीय स्तर के ऊपर हमारी ये जो सूचना है वो डीसीजीआई को भी भिजवाते हैं. वहां से हमारे जो ग्रुप्स बनाए रेगुलेटरी का, उसके मार्फत से इमीडिएटली कोई भी दवाई अगर स्पूरियस डिक्लेयर हुई है या एडल्ट्रेशन उसके अंदर पाया गया है तो हमारे ग्रुप में सर्कुलेट हो जाता है और उस बेसिस के ऊपर सभी जगह पे कार्रवाई एक साथ हो जाती है. इसके
There's hardly any disease left for which fake or substandard medicines have not been caught. Yet the government response remains slow and fragmented. By the time a ban is imposed, lakhs have already swallowed the risk. So while we worry about contaminated cough syrups, the truth is the problem is much bigger. From antibiotics to painkillers, fake medicines are finding their way to your cabinet. And until India fixes its drug control system, every pill could be a potential gamble with life.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.